Spousal Social Security, can you switch benefits? And they changed the law in 2015. So a lot of people are like, well, I heard, or my mom, or my neighbor. File and suspend, something that people used to be able to do to maximize their benefits, married spouses. That law changed in 2015. So right now, when you decide to draw a benefit, you're generally going to stay there forever. So when I say you generally cannot switch, generally you can't switch, but again, there are many times when you can switch. So let's say I want to draw at 62, the earliest I can get my own Social Security. Even though it's not that much, I want to get mine. I want to get something. I need some money. I want to stop working. Very common for women. But my husband wants to work a couple more years, and I want him to work. I want him to work because he carries the family group health insurance, because I do not want to pay for healthcare.gov, Obamacare. I don't want to pay for that at 62. It cost me around $700. That's the average price. So I want to stay in my husband's group insurance. He's going to work a couple more years. So I can draw mine because I can't draw his, because he's not drawing his own. So later, when he decides to draw his own, maybe 2, 3, 4 years, then I can switch. As much as I said there's no switching, yes, because I couldn't draw on his when he wasn't drawing. Now let's reverse the scenario. I'm 62, he's 62, and he's drawing his own benefits, and I want to draw mine. I have to make that decision that's permanent at that time to either draw my own or draw on my spouse. And since he's drawing, I'm going to draw whichever one is higher, and I have to live with that. I won't be able to switch back to mine later. So that's called deeming. I don't use the term a lot. It's a Social Security term, and I feel like a lot of this stuff just gets everybody too confused. But if I'm eligible to draw on my spouses or my ex-spouse, if I'm not married, and I choose to draw my own instead, I'm locking that in. I can't later change my mind and later switch to my ex-spouse or later switch to my spouses, because I was deemed to have applied for all benefits I was eligible for. And since they were both drawing, or my ex-spouse was at least 62, I had that decision, I made it, and I got to live with it. If you have more questions about Social Security, Medicare, retirement, go to my website, themedicarefamily.com. I put more information up there daily. It is free, open source. Go look at it. It'll help you get ready for retirement.
If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.